do one small example with tkinter. As all of you know that tkinter is used for GUI design, and this small program is illustration so as to develop a simple application where we are going to add two buttons, and we are using some standard widgets available from tkinter. That is, button is there or check button is there, then some other methods associated with tkinter. So you can see here that we have a check button, then there is one button, and in one beginning part, that is in the first part, just one small button I am going to display containing one small say text as stop, and after that when we destroy that particular button, then we are going to generate two more check buttons. So one is containing option 1, that is male, and another option as female. So here we will be using some say features of tkinter. As already all of you must be knowing that for tkinter we need to import this, then we are giving the root, and for example in the beginning whatever first window we are going to display, so there we are naming it as say title as counting seconds. Say for example, just I have written one small text. You can write anything here as a title, no problem. And then I am going to specify the width for this, and one small say text I have written which is stop. So in general we know that for buttons we can have options, and there we can specify what exactly action we want. Here just I want to print the text and then I want to destroy it. Then so as to organize this particular widget of button, I am using pack method, and then root main loop. Here the event will get controlled, and this main loop will look after this particular event. In the second part, here in the program I have shown both the ways, like using import we can use this tkinter module, as well as from tkinter when we write here import stick mark. So whatever is available, all that is made available for our particular script. So here we have used this. Now here again in this part we have used some more methods from Python tkinter, that is grid we have used. So this is basically a geometry manager, and it is going to manage or put the widgets in a two-dimensional say space as in the form of a table. Here I have also given this row 0 and row 1, and then along with this I have mentioned one more word, that is a sticky. So sticky is again used as a part of organizer, where we can specify which corner or which side of a widget you are interested in. So all the directions, that west, east, north, south, and the corners. So out of that we want to use this west say side. So therefore we have mentioned window portion with the help of sticky. Then one more, that is we have used here check button. So check button is used as a widget to display number of options, as we know. So one is this male and another one is female, and two variables we have used here with the help of int var. So set, get, and this is for getting the input. For that purpose we have used simple, that this particular click is understood, and it is going to select that particular option from the widget. So as we know that for check button we have master and options. N number of options are there, that is there is a list of around 15 to 20 options with this particular check button widget, and the master is representing the parent window. So out of these options we have used here directly the variable option. So here you can see in between we have given the text, and Then with dot grid, we are managing the geometry, and we are going to with this sticky which cell part, and whether the widget is centered, or maybe the string concatenation, either north east southwest, or northeast northwest, southeast southwest. So accordingly we can do. And this is the whole part. As far as this variable is considered, the control variable that is going to track the current state of check button, and conventionally this is used with intvar. When it is 0, then it is cleared, and when it is 1, then it is set. So these are all the features from tkinter we have used. And a small program I have written here, one stop message on one button, and then when we kill that, or okay, I will say that when we are going to destroy that, then after destroy, it is going to show you the check button male and female, and then from that we are going to get two options. So I will show you the execution. Now first of all, this particular small window I have kept a very small size, 25. So this is stop, and when we destroy this widget, so here these are the two options, so male and female. So you can select this, or you can just the way you are using the click on the check button, so same fashion it will work. So this is one small example of tkinter button and check button, both the things we have used. You can change here this size, that is the width. You can make it, instead of west, you can make it same east, or whatever portion you want. So accordingly these changes are possible.